think it was more the fact that I could just step back and let you guys handle it. I didn't have to kind of jump in and out like all the time. I tried to get a sneak peek in.
Yes.
But that's kind of my own thing. But I think it was it was a seamless process actually from start to finish. Very, very quick turnaround as well, and exactly in line with what we discussed in terms of timelines and stuff like that. So I think amazing service. I can't say anything.
So you
else.
would recommend us to others?
100%, yeah, I know, of course.
Thank you. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.